So now we're gonna open up the piece. So this is how you're gonna start setting your floor. Again, you're gonna use that left hand, or if you're a lefty, your right hand. Most potter's wheels are gonna go counterclockwise, which makes it left hand to use for most of these things, especially centering. But what you're going to do is you're going to find center with your thumb. What I typically do is I kind of will just let my hand rest and just put a little pressure on that divot right here on your thumb. That'll help me find center a bit. It's a little off center right now. And then when I come down, I can just, your thumb will kind of gravitate to it because you're going in such a cylindrical motion. So when you open up, I probably have it almost perfect here on the thickness on the bottom. It's gonna take time to practice, but what you're gonna wanna do to test it, you can take a needle tool or just a thin sharp tool. You're gonna go down to the bottom, poke it all the way down. This will heal up when you throw, and you're gonna see. So actually it is pretty thick. Right now, start it thicker. Don't go down too thin. It's harder to add clay to the bottom when it's too thin. It's easier to push down a little bit farther, which I'm going to do. So I'm gonna push down just a little bit farther. A key to when you're opening up that I haven't really said is when you're opening up, you're gonna wanna keep pressure on the outside with this. This whole time, when you're opening up like this, and then when you're pulling open on the floor, keeping pressure on the outside is gonna help keep it on center. And that's when you're gonna throw the walls up. You're not gonna get this wobbly, weird piece. It's gonna really help you keep everything nice and neat. Keeping even pressure, and you can even put some pressure here on your thumb, on this part right here, to help you kind of keep it low and everything on center. Keeping things on center are important. If you do get it off center, a little bit like that, what you can practice doing is just coming here without touching the floor, and you're just gonna kind of pinch that top part. So it goes back on center. And then everything's on center and you can go on to pulling open.